Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's black. Under the hood is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 5-spoke 20-inch wheels. Tires are in good condition. An espresso brown ginger beige ambitex interior. Sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a trailer hitch, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a set of clean floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming up front, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, Harman Kardon sound system, a nice wood trim, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we have a nice wood grain steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up. Included in the Premium one is navigation. This one also comes with the parking assistance package, which is going to give you a surround view camera with sensors in the front and rear. Our hard keys, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, our buttons for our infotainment center and driving selections. This GLE has 34,210 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE, check out feldmanimports.com.